Hi there guys, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to another tutorial today. We've got some of our new stamps we're going to be using and some of our old favourites as well. But first of all, I just wanted to thank you for your response from our most recent launch. It's been absolutely overwhelming. Your cards that you've created on the social media have been absolutely fantastic. They are so inspiring to see, so please keep up the good work. We are going to be using the large swing today. So let's get started. So inking up in the Nocturne. And then all I'm going to do is stamp that down in the middle there. Try and line it up with the sides to get it as straight as you can. And let's just give that a good press. It's really detailed, so give it a little bit of time and patience just to get all that lovely detail. There we go, perfect. And now we've got our lovely little fairy and we're going to stamp him in the swing. So let's pop him down just as though he was standing inside, like so. There we go. So I'm just grabbing a stencil brush and I'm using the Lime Punch, and I think this is a really nice light green. We're just going to go around the edge very lightly just to begin with. And these brushes are just fabulous for getting a nice even tone all the way around. You don't see any lines. And that's simply because the brush that we've got here, it's super soft. But there's so many bristles there, it's really dense. But you don't get any scuffs or lines. So we're just going to be nice and light going around the edge. Moving on, we've got the Bermuda. That's a really nice colour too. So again, very lightly to begin with. Just want to bring in a little bit of a contrast. And you can see I'm just taking a little bit of the ink off. That just evens it out. Just take your time. Now I've got a little pound stamp. These are just some nice little leaves. And this is a colour that I don't use that often actually, but it is really nice for sort of autumn leaves. So I'm going to stamp off first and just get a feel as to how dark the colour is. And now I'm going to use a green. This is Shady Lane. Again, initially I'm going to just take that first one off. And now I'm going to stamp straight on. And you can see by just using a lighter colour and then a darker colour, it just creates a distance, you know, like more of a 3D effect. Now I'm going to stamp a verse as well. I actually use this summertime. I only want it to be very much in the background, just nice and subtle. So I'm going to go back to the Bermuda now, and I'm just going to bring in a little bit more colour at the top. And I'm just going to go along the edge as well. I just find this stamp, the swing stamp, actually really quite versatile. We can put absolutely anything in that. I was trying the owls before, and they fit really nicely as well. And of course we can add whatever foliage you want to this. You know, you can make it more Christmassy, you can make it autumnal. You can put flowers on, make it more summery. It is such a versatile stamp. And I've got some of our fairy hives here. I'm inking up again in the black. This is the Nocturne, and I'm just going to pop that there like so. And then we've got the smaller one as well. These come in a set. I'm going to pop that one down there. And all I'm doing is just adding a little bit more foliage around the sides there. So I've got my glue pen here, and I'm just going to dot in and around the fairy swing. And then using our lovely biodegradable glitter, and there it is. So thank you so much for joining me again today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the demonstration. Just a nice simple quick card to achieve.